Yeah, so this is what, an hour and a half after a lumbar fusion, L5 stroke S1 lumbar fusion with pedicle screws, rods, you name it, kitchen sink in there. Okay, and how are you feeling right now?
Amazing. I feel fantastic.
Yeah.
Like, let's show you. Let's demonstrate.
Let's demonstrate. Drain still in. Remember, day case, you'll be going home shortly. Yep, I won't. Okay, right, wow.
I feel good, like, honestly.
Yeah. This is amazing. You've got a nice, good posture.
Yeah, like, I feel it as well. Like, my back feels a little bit more straighter compared to being bent over the last 3 years.
Great.
I can walk.
Fantastic. Yeah.
I can cough.
Let's
like,
have
I can, honestly, like,
Do you want to hold the drain?
I've got it.
Yeah, if you give him the drain, he can. Yeah.
Sure.
Okay. Let's have a little walk. Yeah. Amazing.
Honestly,
seriously.
I can't tell you. Like,
I mean, you know, when you consider this is a major operation.
Yeah, this is it. Like,
this is screws and rods. So I'll show you when. Do you want to come over as well and have a look at his X-ray? Yeah. Oops. Careful. We don't want to damage the good work.
no full English there.
Okay.
Remarkable.
Yeah. So
Truly
this is.
remarkable.
Have a look at your X-ray. So this is what it was like before.
Yeah.
You see how collapsed the disc was.
Yeah.
And now look at that one. So
Yeah,
we've opened up. See how we've opened it all up.
Wow.
Yeah.
Put that, and I corrected the curvature of your spine because it was bending forwards.
Yeah. It felt.
And now you'll find that suddenly all the stress on the next disc will have gone. So anything shooting down your leg at the moment?
No, like I coughed. Like normally, like I said, normally a cough is an extremely painful thing for me to go through. I coughed and nothing. I actually cried. I cried because I couldn't believe it.
Yeah, it's amazing.
And
Sciatic
no
pain.
sciatic pain, just inflammation. I was able to go to use the toilet. All good.
This is all brilliant.
Remarkable.
Saved his life.
You saved
And
my
our family. Like,
Well,
I
I'm-
don't think you
I'm-
understand genuinely.
No, I'm really-
what you've done, you know,
as I
you
said-
have given us our life back. It's
Yeah.
something that we're never going to forget.
Everything went absolutely as planned.